Hello, welcome back to another Yu-Gi-Oh trading card video. Today I bought this maximum gold Eldritch card here. Got a good deal on it, so I decided I wanted to try to maybe make an Eldritch deck. So I found some Secret Slayer packs on my local classifieds, and the dude also had some of these, so I grabbed both. And let's see if we can get an Eldritch. So I'll start with the Secret Slayer packs here. We got 12 Secret Slayer packs and we got 12 Mega packs. So we're gonna hope for Eldritch and Adamantipator Researcher, I think it's called. And then Dragoon and Appaloosa, another one. Okay, so we got Climbing the Rika Fairy, Galaxy Cyclone, Rock Bombardment, Erica the Rika Fairy, Eldorado, Lantado. That's a good card for Eldritch deck. Might need a few duplicates of that. I think I already have that though. So that's two. So maybe one more of those. But not today. I got Unizombie, Doki Doki, DD Borderline, Adamantipator Ryzen, Rapatite. And we got the exact card we need right away. Okay, I'm gonna separate these. Okay, let's see here. We need at least one Eldritch here, and then we could just try to find one somewhere else. Koki Miru Guardian, Doki Doki, Solomon Judgment is a good one. Adamantipator Ryzen Rapatite, Adamantipator Ryzen Dragite. I believe that's the strongest one out of all of them. Okay, let's get this next Secret Slayer pack open. We just need one of those two cards. That doesn't look like it was it. Unfortunately seen. Snowdrop, Rika Fairy, Blood, Adamantipator Crystal Rapide, Block Dragon, Rika Flurries. I think Block Dragon's banned. Can't remember. Secret Slayers. Again, let's see what we get. Come on, Eldritch. Got DD Borderline, the Rapatite, Princess of Autumn Leaves, Lone Fire Blossom, Primula, the Rika Fairy. Alright. Next pack here. Ooh. These packs are pretty hard to find. Kyoki Miru Overlord, Golden Land Forever, cool. Adamantipator Resonance, Koki Miru Wall, Adamantipator Seeker. Okay. Got a few more chances at the Golden Lord. We'll have more chances than maximum gold. I'm gonna try to get some myself, but I have to order them. Nine-Tailed Fox, Unizombie, Doki Doki, Elderix of White Destiny. Okay. Yeah. The stores are closed, obviously, COVID. So, you could either buy them off other people or order them. It's the only way to get cards right now. So I bought these off someone. That's how I got these. I got Rika Queen, Lone Fire Blossom, the same Red Crystal, Mundun, the Rika Fairy. 4 last chances to get one of those two cards we need. 12 packs is like half a box. Miracle Fertilizer, Adamantipator Laputite, Rock Bombardment, Upstart Goblin, Adamantipator Relief. Oh. Okay. So it's not giving us what we want. That's okay. Got the wall one, block, green crystal, Solomon Judgment, Rika Flurries. Ooh. Okay, another one. Secret Slayer, second last one. We need a Researcher or the Golden Lord. We got the Rika Fairy, Blue Crystal, Galaxy Cyclone, Miracle Fertilizer, And Primula to Rika Fairy. Can't believe how many of those we got today. Okay, here we go. Our last Secret Sawyer pack here. What will it give us? Will it come through with the Golden Lord or not? Galaxy Cyclone, Miracle Fertilizer, Clyman, Shirabumo, and Harakuru of the Golden Land. Doesn't look like we got any of the 2 cards we wanted, unfortunately, but we'll try these now, see if we get the Dragoon or Appaloosa. Okay, let's get through these ones now. Salmon Great, Wolvie, World Legacy Guard Mark, Abnormal Chain. So we got Marine Sea Blue Tang, Bear Traptor. Oh, I got this guy. Gizmek Yada the Glimming Vanguard, Valkyrie Sheshti, and Infinity Track Earth Slicer. Alright, so those are our Ultras, our Secret, and our Supers, and our Silver Print is Gorgon, Empress of the Evil Eyed. And yeah, that looks like all our best. Those are all our rares from that pack. Okay, let me organize this better one moment. Put this better in the frame. Let's open our second one. We got 12 of these as well. So let's see if we get Dragoon or Appaloosa. Jelly Cannon, ooh, World Chalice, Guard Dragon, Armaduke. Looks cool. Let's see. Rain Sea Seahorse, Witchcrafter Creation. Ooh, Cyberverse Quantum Dragon. I don't have that card. That looks cool. Evil Eye Awakening. That's a good card, I think. Destined Rivals. That's pretty cool. Barracord Borg Blocker. He's a good card. Yep. And let's see what else we got here. Yeah, that's what we got. Let's open this next one. Let's see here. Ooh, Infinity Track Tunneler. Looks cool. Okay, we got FA Shining Star GT. Super rare. Witchcrafter's Creation. Oh, I have this card. It's okay. IP Masquerina. I'll put it in. Oops, the secret rare pile. Witchcrafter's Holiday. Gladiator Beast Domitinus. Cool. Looks cool. Subterra Guru. Those are our rares for this pack. Anything I really like here. This guy looks cool. Dino Wrestler Terra Packaroo. Okay. Next pack. This Evil Eye cards. Let's see. Cybernet Mining. Nice. That's actually a good card. Overburst Dragon. Trickstar Coral Bane. Infinity Track River Stormer. Psychic Wielder. White Howling. Is there rares for that one? So it doesn't look like we got what we want, but that's okay. We still got a bunch of packs to go through. Let's hope we get at least one of the 2 cards we wanted. Okay, Gladiator Beast Dad, Rising Fire, Marine Princess Sea Angel, Mermail Abyssalia, super rare, Evil Eye Repost, super rare, boom. Oh my god, duplicate Trickstar Coral Bane. Ooh, I have this, but not bad. The Wind Charmer Verdant. And Successor's Soul. And Cap Shell's the silver print. And that's all the rares from this pack. Ooh, that shit looks cool. Next one. So we got 3, we got 7 left. So we've been through less than half. We got Dino Wrestler, Marshall Actual. I can't even pronounce some of these names. Marshall Anga, Chaos Betrayer, Witchcrafter Scroll, Shinobi Necro, he looks cool. Shaman of the Teeny, Out Trigger Extension, Storm Dragon's Return, Valkyrie's Embrace, silver print, and some other commons that we are probably familiar with. So we got 6 left of these packs to open. We need the Dragoon Rapalooza. So what we're looking for our collection. Ooh, Dark Factory, more production. So we got Nightmare Incarnation Adele, Wailing of the Unchained Soul, World Legacy Monstrosity. That's cool. Salamangreat Pyro Phoenix. Ooh, nice. Another one of these. Mech Knight Crusadia Arbamax. That's a good one. Time Thief Regulator. And the remaining commons. I'm not using those ones to build a deck right now, so the decks I'm building don't have any of those commons, so I don't really cut them too much. This video is getting long too, so I'm trying to cut it down here. Ooh, Salamangreat Sunfire, or Sunlight Wolf. He's good, I heard. Whitefish Salvage, Test Panther, and another IP Masquerina. Infinitrack Mountain Smasher, Witch's Strike. Ooh, another one of these, Bearborg Blocker. And our remaining commons. Four more packs left. And we pulled none of the cards we wanted. That's unfortunate. That's okay though. And I'll go right to the rares. Ooh, Bearlord, Exchange Dragon. Nice. Evil Eye Repost, Time Thief Redoer, Gladiator Beast Domitias, and Spin Turn. Final Light, and those are the rares for this one. And yeah, 3 more. Okay, so our last 10 right here. Let's hope we get the Dragoon. The best card, I think, in the whole set. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here we go. Rares. Valkyrie, Erda. Dances with Beast. Witchcrafter Elda. Witchcrafter Petor. And Starliege Seifert. Subterror Guru. That's the rares for this pack. Destiny Hero Drawhand. Yeah, 2 more packs. Here we go. See if we pull the Dragoon or Appaloosa. Okay, let's go right to the good ones. Nice, another Cybernet Mining. That's actually good. Overburst Dragon. Shaman of the Tenny. Alright. Yes! We got him! We pulled the Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. Fantastic. Yes. Yes, yes. Fusion Destiny. And Gorgon Empress of the Evil Eyed. Wow. Second last pack. And we pulled him. Nice. Okay, here's our last one. If we get Appaloosa in here, it'll be a good day. It'll be even better day if we get another Dragoon, but that'd be way too wild. Okay, we will go right to the rares. We got Speed Lift, Unchained Soul of Disaster, Striker Dragon. Okay. Infinite Track Goliath. And Strength and Unity. Alright. And Crusadia Testament. And the rest of our commons. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And we got one of the cards we wanted. One of the better ones. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to support the channel. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.